So one stock from the IT pack, which is looking good. First, I will show you the chart of Nifty IT. This is the Nifty IT chart. We have already seen a good sideways base consolidation with the rupee depreciating, the USD INR getting depreciated. It is going to be beneficial for the IT sector overall. So IT sector could see some outperformance as well. And one stock which is looking good to me on this IT sector. First, I will just draw a trend line for the IT sector. Once we close above yesterday's high decisively, then the Nifty IT sector is likely to see further up move. So today's closing data is going to be very crucial for Nifty, Bank Nifty, for a lot of sectors as well, and specifically for the IT sector. So if IT sector it closes above yesterday's high, that is the time we are seeing a positive trend that could continue in IT sector. And this is one stock which is looking very good to me from the IT pack. It's called as HCL Technology, and I will tell you the reason behind it, why it is looking very good to me. Can anyone tell me? We have already learned this pattern as well. So the right answer for this is an inverted head and shoulder pattern which has been formed. This is my head, this is my left shoulder, this is my right shoulder, and this is where I get the neckline. This is my neckline. So yesterday we saw a very good breakout in the stock from the neckline with volumes increasing, which is supportive, and also my RSI is going above 60 levels, which is clearly indicating me strength in the stock. And IT, as I said, with rupee depreciating, will have a lot of benefits over here. So this is one stock which is looking good to me on a head and shoulder pattern. What are the targets? What I can see in the stock on the upside is if I draw it from the neckline over here, this was the breakout what I got in the stock over here. So I can see a target of 1280, 1290 levels that could come in. So almost I can say an 80-90 points rally is there in HCL Tech. What we can see, the stock has already formed a base formation, an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Yesterday we got a breakout with volume. All my data points are suggesting me a buy, and my base or the support for the stock on the downside will be 1140. So 1140 is my base, that is my support on the downside, and my upside level what I see is 1280, 1290 levels that could come into the stock. A typical head and shoulder pattern which has formed, which is a trend reversal. So this has been a sharp up move in the stock. Yeah, over here that was a sharp up move. We got a correction, a reversal pattern, that is a head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder, which is a reversal pattern. And these are the targets what I can find in the stock on the upside. So HCL Tech is on my radar. One should keep it. I think this stock could do very well from this pattern. From a month's perspective, it is not there that in the next 3 to 4 days the stock will move. I will have a month view. It might consolidate and then it might eventually go up. So keep a 1 month view in the stock. I can see a decent upside in the stock that could come. So HCL Tech is the stock which one should keep on your radar.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.